Hello, everybody. How are you? How are you guys? I hope you are having a wonderful day. And if you don't know me, my name is Bruno. I'm an English teacher. Yes, I'm your English teacher. And I've been teaching. Let's use the word teaching because learning English, it's been a long time. So I've been teaching English for 6 years, and I'm currently here in Australia, also teaching English. So I've been here for 2 years and some months. But let's do it. So today's class is about there was, there were. I highly recommend you to watch the video that I recorded before this one, the last week's video that I talked about there is, there are. To understand this like in a easier way, let's say, you must watch that video because this template that I'm using is from that video. So you will see a lot of there is, there are, but I will pinpoint them to there was, there were. Okay, so I'll put all of them together in order to you understand. Okay, let's keep going. Let's continue. So there was, there were. Okay, a lot of people say where. No, it's were. Okay, where is this? This is were. Where were. Where were. Okay, so let's keep going. As I said, this is the same template, so don't worry. Just keep watching and I'm going to explain to you in order to you to learn. There. When I say there, I want to make sure that you understand that something exists. Something exists. Very good. When I translate from my language, I say have, which is wrong. Egregious, very wrong. Okay, now I remember saying there are because there are means present. Okay, there are 5 cars now, but the class is not about are, is about was and were. In this case, I will change to there, oops, sorry, there were 5 cars, which means past. Remember past, the past of verb be? Yeah, there were 5 cars. Okay, teacher, I don't understand. Don't worry, don't worry. Remember that I had this structure here. Let's change a little bit. Was, were. Let's create 2 more. Look, I'm gonna even copy them. What's the difference? This is the difference. Is for the present version, moment, singular. Are present version for plural. Was the same of is and was the same, but is present, was past. Are and were the same, but are present, were past. Past. So it's the same. Look, I use is for present when I have singular. I use was for past when I have singular. I use are for present when I have plural. I use were for past when I have plural. So let's have some examples here. Look, the same examples, the same. But let's imagine that I have this, blah, 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 was, were, a book on the table. Okay, I have the same example as I also have it here. I should have copied. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Look, it's much easier if I do this. Think, Bruno, think. Okay, look, two examples. There is a book on the table. When I say there is, I understand that is now. It is now, this moment, okay? When I have there was or were a book on the table, it was in the past. So let's remember, a book is one. If I have one in the past, I use was. So there was a book on the table. The same goes here when I say there books. It means plural, exactly. If I have plural in the past, I have were. There were books on the table. Can you see? It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Very, very easy. Negative. More of the same. Oops. No, 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 my bad. Now it's correct. The difference was, were. The difference, past, past. Oh my gosh. Present, present version. So it's the same. Okay, teacher, but where is the difference when I have negative? The difference is here. Not, 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 not. That's the difference. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay? So now I want you to think. When I have question form, interrogative, okay? What is the thing that is different in interrogative form? Only one thing. Think, 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 think. If I say, I am Bruno, when I have a question, what is the difference? We make the inversion. We change the order. If I said, I am Bruno, now I say, sorry, am I Bruno? Remember the swap? Exactly. So in this case scenario, we will go to interrogative and we change the order. So we put was and were here. Remember? And the questions here, the sentences, they're gonna be the same. Look, I'm just copying because it's too easy. Was, were. If you see, they are the same. The difference is here. Is, are, was, were. Is there a book on the table? How many books? One, singular. Are there books on the table? How many books? Two or more. Was there a book on the table? One. Were there books on the table? How many? Two or more. Okay, that is the difference, guys. That's the difference. So if you guys didn't understand, if you guys have questions, anything you want to talk about it, please leave a comment in the comment section here. I'll be very happy to help you guys. This is my goal, helping you with these videos. And if you want a specific video, if you wish some sort of different videos or something, please also leave in the comment section and I'll record it for you. Thank you very much. I hope you guys understood everything that I tried to explain here in a very easy way. And see you soon. Take care.